Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Huggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army and Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And Army and Outdoors is out of New Zealand, so they do ship worldwide. All right, so let's get these out of here. One of those, one of these, and one of these. That's it. Okay. So again, these came from Army and Outdoors. So let's see here. These all have a common theme. These are all some form of Turkish Air Force camo. So just briefly go through them. These appear to be trousers large, shirt large, and parka extra large. So since this is in my hand right now, let's see, go with a quick run through here. Got a zippered on hood. Looks like fleece lined, hook and latch, kind of attachment there. And also hook and latch around the back of the collar of the hood there. Hook and latch down the front. Plastic zipper. Okay. Let's see, there are two pulls there. Fleece liner in this example. Extra thread there. Liner is zippered on. I can already see a drawstring on the inside of the outer portion of the parka. Here's a label. I see 2015, and there's a manufacturer right there. And care instructions in Turkish. More here. Sizing, date, care as well. You see the zipper goes all the way around to the top. We got a little hanger loop here. The inner collar. Let's look at the pockets, see what we got. Upper chest pocket, hook and latch. Slight bellows in the front. Similar on this side, I can already see air vent grommet there. We got larger pocket at the bottom, also bellowed. Flush sides, also symmetrical there. Here's your bottom hem. Another vent or drainage grommet there. Unless there used to be a drawstring, possibly. That is no longer in there. I don't feel one. So, not sure. Looking at the vent holes again under the pit shoulder area, there appears to be 4 under each. And likewise there. Let's turn it over to the back. Solid back piece. You can see where that drawstring is, and still don't know if there was a drawstring at the bottom hem. So that's the parka, Turkish Air Force camo. Let's look at the trousers next. You can see the size of the belt loops. We got this metal, kind of a literal hook and latch system right there. Belt loop in the front, middle, at the hip sides, and on the back we have one at the direct middle of the back, as well as 2 on each side as well. Let's see here, simple zipper. You can see here some care information, and a little bit on the material, and looks like some sort of number written there. See here what the pockets are actually made of. Slash pockets on the sides, cargo pockets. They look kind of, there's a little bit that goes around, but they seem to be actually a little bit directed towards the front of the leg as well, not just fully to the side, but it could be just the way they're folded. Elasticized with looks like cord locks, and elasticized cord, and look at the retention bits here. Let's look at the back pockets. Back pockets, small hook and latch. You don't see anything on the outside very much. Also reinforced bottom there. So Turkish Air Force camo trousers. And then here is the shirt or jacket. Let's see. So here's your collar. Hook and latch at the top. Hook and latch at the top there only. And then we have a zipper. Trying to see if there's area for any sort of, yep, you have something for a name there. And if I can get the zipper to detach. No shoulder epaulettes. And looks to have just this side has a upper arm sleeve pocket. Reinforced elbows. Hook and latch cuffs. And this side does not have an upper arm pocket, but hook and latch cuffs and reinforced elbow. Upper pockets, hook and latch, bellows down the middle, flush sides. No pockets at the bottom. And let's take a quick look at the back. You can see here we got bellows on each side here. Otherwise a solid back piece, no drawstrings. Here's the hem. So, working our way backwards. Turkish Air Force camo shirt, large. And, oh, real quick, a name written here and the care label. And it looks like there's a little bit of a liner as well. So, again, the Turkish Air Force camo shirt. We also have a set of trousers in a similar pattern. And we started off with a parka with a liner as well. So these all came from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army and Outdoors. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.